Can Enterprises LLC? Yes, you can form an LLC with the word Enterprises in the name, such as Smith Enterprises LLC. The term enterprises is often used by businesses that operate in multiple industries or want a broad, professional-sounding name. As with any LLC, the name must be unique and not already in use in your state. Most states also require the name to include LLC or Limited Liability Company at the end. You can check name availability through your Secretary of State's office before filing. Forming an LLC with Enterprises in the name works the same as any other LLC. You'll file articles of organization, create an operating agreement, get an EIN, and handle any required licenses or permits to operate legally. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and secure the business name you want, including Enterprises. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.